Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Question number one. If cosine 40 equals A, what is sine 50 in terms of A? Look, 40 plus 50 equals 90. So always cosine 40 will equal sine 50 because the sum of two angles equals 90. We'll get sine 50 equals A. You can consider this rule always. If the sum of the two angles equals 90, sine the first equals cosine the second one, and the opposite is right. Question number two. In the right triangle, one angle measured x such that tangent x equals 0.75. What is the value of cosine x? We can draw triangle, right triangle, and x, this angle. So tangent x equals 75 over 100. I can divide by 25 for there, and 3 over 4. So 3, 4. The hypotenuse now is 5 according to the Pythagorean theorem. So the required cosine x, so cosine x equals 4 over 5. Question number 3. Sine theta plus sine 90 minus theta equals plus cosine theta plus sine 90 minus theta for any angle theta. Which of the following is equivalent to a expression above? Sine theta, it's the same, will stay sine theta. Now cosine, look, cosine 90 90 minus theta will be in the first quarter, so will be cosine will change to sine theta because in the first quarter, plus now cosine theta, last one, sine 90 minus theta is the first quarter, so sine will change to cosine theta. Now we have 2 cosine and 2 sine. That means the answer D. Question number 4. In the right triangle APC, I will draw this triangle. C is right angle, Okay, and AP equals 30. If cosine A, I will write now cosine A equals CB over 30. Sorry, no CB, AC. AC, because it's edge over hypotenuse. AC over AB 3. What is the length of AC? Now, look, this 30. So cosine A I can find in the, oh, this 30. Okay, sorry, 30. Now, cosine A is equal 5 over 6 equals AC over 30. Now 30 with 6 will be 5 there. So A equals 5 times 5 equals 25. 25. Now, question number 5. If tangent x equal m, what is the sine x in terms of m? Okay, we have right triangle. X. Now, tangent x equals m. So, m over 1. I can take base c1. What is the terms of m? What is sine x in terms of m? Okay. Now, sine, I will find the length of AC now. According Pythagorean theorem, I can AC equals square will be 1 square plus m square. Now AC equals the roots of 1 plus m square. Okay, I can find now sine x. Sine x equals the opposite m over the hypotenuse, 1 plus m square roots. Answer C. Question number 6. Given that AB equals 4, it's 5, not 4, okay? There's 5. And P equals 4 over 3 in the right triangle above. What is the value of sine P plus cosine P? Look, in this question, I can look, tangent will be tangent P equals 4 over 3. So I can draw small right triangle. Look, 4 over 3. The third one will be 5. Okay, so I can depend in this triangle more easy because the ratio the same of the big one. So I can now from this triangle look sine theta, sorry, sine p. Now this p, sine p equals 4 over 5, and cosine b equals 3 over 5. The record of the sum of sine and cosine, when I sum this sine and cosine, I will find the answer 7 over 5. Okay, just I replace this triangle with the small one, more easy to use with this number to find the record. Question number 7. If sine x equals 0.25, what is the length of PC in the triangle above? Okay, we have x now, and sine x equals 25 over 100. Equals 3 over, look, opposite over hypotenuse PC. Now the record PC equals 4, 1. PC equals 3 times 4 equals 12. Question number 8. In the figure above, right triangle APC is similar to right triangle MNO with vertex AP and C corresponding to vertex MN and O, respectively. If tangent P equals 2.4, what is the value of cosine N? Look, tangent P equals 2.4. This mean I can write 5, 12 over 5. Okay, tangent P, AC 12 and BA 5. I divided by 2. Okay, now I can find PC according to basic theorem is 144 plus 25, 961. So PC equals 13. Okay, the required cosine N. He asked cosine N. Okay, cosine N will be the same of cosine P, because we have the two triangles are similar, so the same ratio, so will be 5, look, 5 over 13. In the equation above, the angle measures are in the degree if M is the acute angle between the 0 and 90. what is the value of m? Okay, look, there is bracket there. All this is angle to sine, okay, because there is mistake in the question there. Now in this question I can write cosine 32 to sine 58, because the sum of the angles equals 90. Now this will be equals sine 5m minus 12. Sine and sine, so 58, it will equals 5m minus 12. 5m will equals 70. M will equals 70 over 5. Question number 10, cosine C. How I can find cosine C? Cosine C will equals edge over hypotenuse. From this triangle there is hypotenuse, okay, and there's edge. Now I can find look, this length will be 5 and this 3, so AB 8. Now this 3 and this 12 will be 15, so AC equals 17. Now cosine C will equals 15 over 70. Question number 11, in the figure above, AC is diameter of the circle. If AC equals 1, which of the following gives the area triangle APC in terms of theta? Look, AC equals 1, so sine theta equals AP over 1. Now AP equals sine theta. Don't forget this right triangle, and B is right angle. Now PC, the same way I can find PC will equal cosine theta. Now the area equals AP, that means sine theta, times PC cosine theta over 2 D. Now last question. Given the sine theta minus cosine theta equals 0, that means sine theta equals cosine theta, where theta is the radian measure of the n angle. Which of the following could be true? Look, in the trigonometry circle, sine equals cosine in the first and third quarter. Okay, so the one is right, second no, and third right. So the answer C. Just in the 1 and third quarter, sine theta equals cosine theta, but the second and fourth, no, sine theta don't equals to cosine. Okay, there's difference between the sign there in these quarters. اوكي ثانك يو سو ماتش، كان معكم مستر شين، نتمنى لكم التوفيق.